Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Dacia Duster SUV. Known for being an affordable and reliable choice in the SUV market, the Duster has been a popular pick for years. Now, in its 2025 iteration, it's clear that Dacia has made significant improvements, blending practicality with modern features while still maintaining the value for money appeal. Let's explore its design, performance, and what makes this SUV a compelling choice for a wide range of drivers. The exterior of the 2025 Dacia Duster is a perfect blend of ruggedness and sophistication. The front end has a more aggressive look, featuring a redesigned grille and sleek LED headlights that give it a modern edge. The updated bumper and new skid plates enhance its off-road capabilities while adding to its robust aesthetic. Along the sides, the strong character lines and optional two-tone color schemes make it stand out, whether you're in the city or the countryside. The rear has been refreshed as well, with LED taillights and a reworked bumper that completes the dynamic look. Under the hood, the 2025 Duster offers multiple engine options to suit various driving needs. There's a reliable and efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine for urban commuters, a more powerful 1.5-liter diesel option for those who need extra torque for towing or off-roading, and a hybrid variant for eco-conscious drivers. The hybrid system seamlessly combines a petrol engine with an electric motor, offering excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. For adventurers, the all-wheel drive option is a game-changer, making the Duster capable on rough terrain while remaining smooth and composed on highways. When it comes to performance, the Duster strikes a balance between power and practicality. The engines deliver responsive acceleration, making it ideal for both city traffic and long-distance drives. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for comfort, effectively absorbing road imperfections, whether you're navigating urban potholes or uneven mountain trails. The steering is light yet precise, ensuring an effortless driving experience that's suitable for new drivers and seasoned adventurers alike. Step inside, and you'll find a much improved interior compared to previous generations. Dacia has clearly listened to customer feedback, upgrading the cabin materials and incorporating a more modern design. The seats are well cushioned and supportive, with optional upholstery upgrades that add a touch of luxury. The dashboard features a clean and functional layout, with a new touchscreen infotainment system at the center. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation, making every journey more convenient and enjoyable. Practicality remains a core strength of the Duster. The 2025 model offers ample space for passengers and cargo. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom, and the large windows provide excellent visibility, enhancing the feeling of openness. The boot space is one of the best in its class, easily accommodating luggage for family trips or bulky sports equipment. Folding down the rear seats creates even more room, ensuring the Duster can handle everything from daily errands to weekend adventures. Safety has also been a priority for Dacia in the 2025 Duster. It now comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems work seamlessly to provide an added layer of protection, giving drivers peace of mind whether they're on a busy highway or a quiet back road. One of the most significant selling points of the Duster is its affordability. Despite the upgrades in design, technology, and performance, Dacia has managed to keep the price competitive. This makes the 2025 Duster an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on features or capability. In summary, the 2025 Dacia Duster is a well-rounded SUV that offers something for everyone. It's stylish enough for city dwellers, rugged enough for adventurers, and practical enough for families. With its updated design, versatile performance options, and modern features, it's clear that Dacia has taken the Duster to the next level while staying true to its value-driven philosophy. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the 2025 Dacia Duster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Duster and whether it fits your needs as an everyday SUV. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey.